I also came to realize that the recordings weren't working, so I'm just going to record and we'll try something. It'll be a bit different. We'll try this and see how it works. I should also say, I don't know how many of you are taking linear algebra next semester, but I'll be taking it. So if you like me, go to my tutorial sections. If you don't like me, avoid my tutorial sections. Got it?
Are you going to the prof or team?
Team. Yeah, I'm not qualified enough to be a prof. Okay, we're going to talk about counting, going back to like grade 1, but a bit more difficult than that, I think. Okay, so really the key thing I want to talk about today is pigeonhole principle, because I think a lot of students hear it and it goes like in one ear, in your head you're like, oh, that's easy, and then it just shoots out the other ear, right? So you do not pay attention. And then when a question comes up on it, you fail it. Okay, so it's kind of a common theme in this course, but we're going to do a bit more of a deep dive into it. So let's the pigeonhole. I don't know why it's called pigeonhole principle. It's kind of a dumb name for it. Let's say you have 5 boxes, and you have six items, right? And let's say that you were tasked with the job of putting each of those items into a box. You can have multiple things in a box, you can have a box that has nothing, it doesn't matter, but you're just placing them into the boxes, any way you choose. The pigeonhole principle says that there is no way that once you place all the items in the boxes, there's no way that there is no box that has 2 things in it. So you can be guaranteed that there's at least one box that has at least 2 things in it, right? You gotta double up somewhere. Does that make sense? Seems pretty obvious, right? Again, you have 6 boxes and 5 things, so somewhere you're gonna have to double up. The problem is that it actually gets more difficult and maybe not as obvious. So we're going to work with this, right? Especially using this idea in proofs. It's kind of hard. That's it for my little spiel today. It's pretty short, but